Halloween is almost here, and if you're still costume-less, don't worry. We've got 6 easy ideas to save you from last-minute panic. Grab stuff from your closet, your junk drawer, or even your pantry. From happy little painters to 90s icons, we're turning everyday items into Halloween legends. Let's dive in. Our first look, Bob Ross, the icon of calm and king of the happy little trees. All you need is a button-up shirt, jeans, and a mop or curly wig for the hair. Add a paper plate palette with a few colors and maybe a paintbrush. You're not just Bob Ross, you're a walking masterpiece of positivity. Just remember to say, happy little accidents to everyone you meet. It's all about spreading the joy. Next up, the ultimate 90s look, The Rock in his legendary turtleneck and fanny pack phase. This one's for anyone who wants to look effortlessly cool on Halloween. All you need is a black turtleneck, jeans, a fanny pack, and a chain necklace. Throw in an intense eyebrow raise if you can. And if Kevin Hart can pull it off, anyone can.
It's my costume. All you gotta do is go to the costume store and say, make me look stupid.
Want something quick and punny? Go as a social butterfly. Yes, it's a little on the nose, but it's a hit for anyone glued to their phone. Grab some wings, print out a few social media logos to stick on, and voila! You're the life of the digital party, in person. Snap those selfies, like all your friends' costumes IRL, and remind everyone of your fluttering popularity.
The classic costume for the procrastinator. Error 404. Perfect for when you have nothing planned, but still want to laugh.
All you need is a plain shirt and a marker. Right, error 404, costume not found, on it, and you're good to go. It's low effort, high impact humor. Just walk around looking confused. It really sells the costume not found look. And now, for those with a taste for puns, the breadwinner. Perfect for carb lovers who want to be a little bit punny. Throw on your gym clothes, grab a loaf of bread, and walk around like you just won the food marathon. You'll be the toast of the party. Just remember, you are not just winning, you are winning with carbs. Talk about a balanced diet. Who knew last-minute costumes could be legendary? Whether you're a painter, a rock or a butterfly from the digital world, own it. Make it yours, add a little humor, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you decide to go with one of these. Wishing you a spooky, scrappy Halloween.